Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Thank you, PRA, for inviting me to speak this morning. It's a great honor for me to be with you today. My name is Jimmy Tai, and I'm one of the 5 founders of Primer Group of Companies. We have been blessed with an awesome task of leading an organization that has grown from its humble beginning to a size and scale of what we are today. The Primer Group represent the world's best brands, products, and services. We are the team behind the Travel Club, the Brad Pack, ROX, and restaurant stores. And brands like JanSport, North Face, FitFlop, DC, Quicksilver, Columbia, and the recent acquisition, G-Star, just to name a few. Aside from retail, we are also involved in the industrial sector, such as heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, ink manufacturing, silkscreen, and digital printing. Today, we manage more than 100 brands and are present in 8 countries. Now, I would like to talk to you about the success story of the Primer Group. Success never comes easy, but through the years of our business experience, we have noticed that success does come when certain principles are applied. And this just may work for you as it has worked and continue to work for us. First, success is achieved through friendship. It has been said that God blessed us with relatives, but we are equally blessed because we can choose our friends. Well, the truth is, we can have both good friends and relatives if we treat each other with goodness, fairness, love, and most important of them all, respect. While the priority of doing business may have taken over the main agenda with our daily lives, the company owners, consisting of 5 friends, have not forsaken or neglected the importance of friendship and fun in doing business. Truly, the Primer Group way is the antithesis of going to business with friends. That's Thomas, Johnny, Winnie, and Jerry. We are all friends dating back to our school days. We cared more of having good gimmick nights rather than pursuing good grades or good behavior. Doing business is fun, especially when trust among partners is strong. The founders of Primer Group have been together for almost 3 decades, and decisions are made every day. The truth is, some partners approve it, some are skeptical, some are disapproved, and others simply do not understand or care. You can abort resolutions rather. You can issue out memorandum. You can use your power to control decisions. But this would only lead to more mistrust. But when respect for each other is considered, trust is built. And when there is trust, influence takes over, not control, leading towards acceptance as a natural result. I've made decisions that have cost the company losses. My partners have experienced the same. But we all understand that trust and respect for each other is more important than money. Then, we continue to learn from our mistakes, move forward, and accomplish even greater things. Through this understanding, we achieve harmony, and harmony leads to prosperity. It's a very biblical truth, and I'm sure if the Philippines apply this, our country will prosper. That is how we achieve our success, through friendship. It sounds so easy, but in reality it's not. Because the second thing I would like to share with you is that success is achieved through trials, failures, and adversities. Never around it and never against it. The rule of thumb is that the bigger the goal, the greater the challenges. And above all, and over the years, we have gone through the different trials that hurled at us. It was in 1986, right after the People's Power Revolution, when the government liberalized the importation, everyone was so eager to import merchandise and commodities, including the Primer Group. In our aggression and recklessness, we brought in tons and tons of poultry feeds to hedge the demand in the market. Unfortunately, many enterprising businessmen brought in the same commodities, creating a huge glut of supply. Compounded by the drop in the global prices, this resulted in a crash in the market. Consequently, we incurred huge losses that almost wiped out all our resources. From this crisis, what are the lessons learned then? First, one must understand the market. Second, planning is vital. But the best lesson is our partnership withstood the test. Then in 1997, we diversified into new ventures, going to the printing industry, wherein we invested heavily in equipment and technology. This business was funded through foreign borrowings. And we all know what happened during that time. It was the Asian financial crisis. We have fallen prey to the regional economic meltdown, and our debts ballooned significantly. All these challenges and adversities did not break the partnership. Arguments may ensue, but no one will get the blame. After a major storm, we always regroup ourselves and focus rebuilding our enterprise. This is just the way it is. There's no certainty in business. But when God closes a door, oftentimes, He opens a window of more opportunities. The road to success is not taken the road of least resistance, but the road of prolonged perseverance. It is this tenacity, brought about by adversities, that gave the partners the constant drive to achieve greater goals. In other words, we are more driven and more competitive. At the core of doing business, one of the most important traits needed is the ability to listen, decipher, and sense the changing customer needs and demand. When a new market emerges, the Primer Group responded to the call. This is how our concept store, the Travel Club, and ROX came to life. Both were pioneering ideas that become successful retail experiments. The concept was very niche in nature, especially in the Philippines. The Travel Club was born out of a vision for a market of travelers in business, leisure, and even necessities as represented by the OFWs, would converge and identify their travel needs in one shop, hence the Travel Club. Fast forward to 15 years, the same formula was employed. ROX was created to cater to a developing market outdoor enthusiasts, backpackers, adventure seekers, and adrenaline junkies. The concept was questioned by many, and now, 6 years into the business, coupled with the influx of budget airlines, booming local tourism, and strengthened by massive growth in outdoor activities such as trail running, mountaineering, and many, many more. ROX now is the #1 hub of all travel adventure needs. Before, challenges are for survival. Now, challenges are for sustainable growth. These are the challenges we face today. First, acquiring and securing more brands to cater to a larger market. Establish a distribution network to increase the company's share of the market pie and extend market territories. Next, working with and nurturing a community of new breed of customers. These are outdoor enthusiasts, adventurers, and backpackers embodied through ROX. Last, developing new business within the value chain. This can be exemplified by the ROX concept. First came an outdoor brand, the North Face, followed by more outdoor brands, hence the need to house into one concept shop, the ROX. Sensing the character and needs of our market, we developed the RX Signature Tours. And a vision more broad within the brand ROX, we will soon put up and invest on resorts and accommodation. And now the quest for bigger goals and bigger adventure has brought us to the third principle, the success through embracing global opportunities. To sustain growth, it is important to let the partners know that the fun of doing business should be coupled with leveling up. Leveling up means entering the Asian retail arena and taking pride as a Filipino company. If we go overseas, we do not take the opportunity out from the Filipinos. Instead, we bring the Filipino flag to new shores and bring the pride to the entire country to be known and recognized as a formidable player in the Asian economic landscape. This then bring the higher cost that the primary group aims to achieve. And that is the desire to put the Philippines on the map and gain the respect of the world by being a major player and being successful at that. The world is our market and the Philippines is our platform. As a company, we are now set on going overseas and getting bigger slice of the pie. Recognitions and awards from international organizations have built our confidence to aggressively expand and open more businesses in the region. But these are the challenges we face. Multicultural and tradition differences can be barriers. Going overseas also means vulnerability and risk exposure to any financial crisis. When one gains success, complacency and exhaustion become a risky combination that one confronts. Both must be and should be countered immediately in avoidance. After we overcome these challenges, the rewards are bigger, better, and stronger. Success is never a destination, it is a journey. In Primary Group, success has gone through three major principles. Success through friendship, success through trials, adversities, and failures, and success through embracing global opportunities. We do not know what awaits us in terms of challenges and its intensity. The road to success is littered with lots of detours along the way. But with strong friendship, respect, trust, and having fun, then in those detours, we know we will enjoy the scenery along the way. Thank you very much for having me.